that you're looking for, Lord. Please don't judge me, 'cause I won't judge you. Now what's in it that me I believe, now what's in it that you believe. As I wake up this morning, landlord don't call me. My body don't ring my phone. Say with that thing where you promise me.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the last class of the term, and the topic is the internet. What is an internet? An internet can be defined as the biggest worldwide communication network of computers. The short form of internet is the net. It is used by billions of people around the world. Two persons that invented it are Robert Kahn and Vincent Cerf. Robert Kahn and Vincent. Now, what are the uses of internet? Internet can be used in the office. And internet can be used at home. Internet can also be used in an airport. Also, internet can be used in the hospital. And internet can also be used in schools, just like ours. And internet can also be used in public places, everywhere. So internet can be used virtually in everywhere. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of internet? The good and the bad of internet. Now let's start with the advantages. Number one, internet can be used for education. You can learn through the internet. Then it can be used for communication. You can send information within your friends. Internet can be used for entertainment. You can watch videos online. Internet can be used to search for information, any information you may think of. Internet can help you do that. Now, what are the disadvantages of internet? Number one disadvantage is virus bugs can hack your system and steal the data from your device through the internet. Downloading unwanted software apps can hack your system. Clicking on unwanted links can also hack your system. Now, what are the do's of the internet? You have delete mails from strangers with parent knowledge. Stop posting pictures on media. Now, what are the don'ts of internet? Do not, never you share your password with anybody on no account should you do that. If you must meet someone, you must know the person. Never agree to meet anyone if you have not met the person. I want you to stay safe and stay happy. Before now, we made use of newspapers, but now we make use of internet. And what are the basic internet terminologies? When I'm talking about terminologies, I'm referring to various terms that are being used in the internet. There are a lot of them. I have here 18 of them. So we'll just pick a few and discuss them meticulously. You have number one there, ISP, that's Internet Service Provider. You have Internet Protocol Suite. You have point-to-point protocol. You have Internet Protocol Address, that's the IP address. You have Domain Name System, DNS, World Wide Web. You have the website. You have Uniform Resource Locator. You have web pages, home pages, hypertext transfer protocol, web server, and that. Now, what was the first one? ISP, Internet Service Provider. An Internet Service Provider is a company that provides web access to both business and consumers. Any company that gives you the access to the internet is called an Internet Service Provider. A good example is MTN. Another example is Glo, Airtel, Etisalat, Nine Mobile. All those are internet service providers. They give you access to the internet. Next, we have the Internet Protocol Suite, and it's a standard network model and communication protocol stacked used on the internet and on most other computers. Now, what happens Internet Protocol Suite gives you the ability to transmit information through various layers. We have the application layer, the transport layer, network layer, and the likes. Next is the PPP. I call it point to point protocol. Now, that one has to do with you exchanging information from one device to another. PPP, through a medium. Through a medium, you are transferring information from one place to another. Another one is you have the IP address. It's a unique address that gives you or gives a person or explains a location of a particular person so long your data is on. The internet helps you to identify. Everybody has a unique IP address. All phones have a unique IP address. The moment if your phone gets missing, the IP address helps you to locate it. Also, we have the DNS, which is the domain name system. Have you ever designed a website? Was like Facebook. Facebook is a website. Facebook website. Facebook is a domain name, and the system is a system that helps you to name a website, which is Facebook. You have other websites like Konga. You have other websites like Jumia, etc., etc. Again, moving away from DNS, you move on to World Wide Web. Now, what's World Wide Web? World Wide Web is an application that enables you to access the internet through a website. It's a global way of communicating between multiple mediums. That's what World Wide Web is all about. A good example of a World Wide Web is the website. Also, you have the website. Now, what's a website? A website is a set of related web pages located under a single domain name, typically produced by a single person or organization. So, website is simply the collection of various web pages. As we progress, you will know what are web pages. Any website that you see, websites like for example the one you see on the screen, is an example of a website. The school has a website, upsshub.com. Also, you have your URL, Uniform Resource Locator. This gives you other resources on the it gives you users to specific resource online, such as you are trying to it gives you the ability to locate a particular website on the internet. I come again, it gives you the ability to locate a particular website on the internet. Are you trying to look for Facebook? That helps you. Now, what's a web page? A web page simply is one page of a website. Websites are a combination of various web pages, just like you have a book. A web page is just a page on the website. There are lots, combination of all these pages makes a website. So, page of a website is a web page. Also, you have the home page. Your home page is the startup page of a website. Is the startup page of a website. UPSS has an home page. When you log into the system, the very first thing is where you have when you see all those YouTube videos, your home and the rest. That's an home page. Is the first thing that you see when you log on into a website. It's most crucial that your home page should be designed properly. Also, you have the HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. I think we would stop in Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What this simply does is it's the one that enables you or links a client to a server. And what is a client? A client is you having a website to a server. The server now has to do with the source that you used in designing it. Thank you for watching. Have a great and blessed holiday, and I wish you success in your forthcoming exams. Bye bye.